Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to download Twinmotion plugins in Revit. Go to Twinmotion website, scroll down, go to Datasmith Export plugin for Revit, download options, then press on download now, press on it, then install it. Go to Revit, open any project, go to 3D, then go to Twinmotion plugin and see in Twinmotion. In new project, then press OK. And this is our project. Press on this one and move it down.